What is up, guys? We are back with another video, man. So today we're going to be taking a look at this Easy Clip car mount holder, and this is by Vicseed. They were kind enough to send this out, man, so shouts out to them. And a funny story is that my previous phone holder in my car actually broke. The clip broke, so I'm actually in need of this, man. So kind of glad this came, man. So today, this is what we're looking at, guys. I'm going to show you where you can pick it up. We'll go through everything that comes inside of the box. I'll do a little bit of testing, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it, all right? Let's go. All right, guys, so if you're looking for this one, you can find it right here on Amazon, man. I will throw a link up in the description, but the price is going to run you about $28.99, and they do have a 20% off coupon. And again, this is the Vicseed 3-in-1 universal cell phone mount holder, or holder mount, all right? So we'll go ahead, scroll through, see what else we can find on this bad boy. Right here, it just has a little bit of information from the brand, just some information about the company. If you're curious, you can go through that. It says what's in the box right here. You're going to get your clip. You're going to get one windshield mount suction cup, an air vent clip, some 3M adhesive pads, single use on the dashboard, friendly box, and all that other good stuff, all right? So right here, you got the quick release, ultra strong clamp arms, ultra stable mount, 100% silicone guard. And I do like that they already kind of give you an idea of what you can expect. Like if you mount it up here, you can see that that's going to adjust here as well. You can adjust this piece here, or you could put it like in the vent clip if you want to do that, or you can just suction cup it to your actual windshield. So I think that's going to be good. Right here, strongest and stickiest suction cup, 3 layers of gel, extra dashboard pad, and it's reusable, so you can just wash it off and reuse it. Right here it says the suction cup has 3 layers of gel, and I thought I saw a part here that said that, oh, right here, easily remove without leaving any residue. Simply wash and let it air dry, and then you can just stick it in a new place, all right? So just know that if you take this off, wash it, you can put it in another place, all right? So you got the newest anti-skid and super sturdy vent clip. So that vent clip is going to be a good look as well, because if you don't want to put it on your dash, you can just put it in the vent clip. If you don't want to rock it on the actual windshield, you can just put it in your vent. And it's compatible with 99% of the air vents, all right? And right here, it just says it won't block your view. So as you can see, if you put it on the vent clip, it's going to be down here. And then if you put it up on your actual dash, mount it up there, you can adjust it however you want and bring it down in front of you regardless. So it won't block anything. Right here, a handful of cases that it does work with. You got the thick case. It's thick case friendly. So outer box, mag safe, and battery cases. But it doesn't work for wallet cases. All right. So if you put a wallet case, if you got a wallet case on your phone and you try to put it in this mount, it's just not going to work, all right? So right here, you got the quick release button. You got access to your ports and stuff at the bottom down here. And then it just says that it's a great gift. So one thing I do want to touch on that I've noticed with air vent clips, not specifically this one, but I'm pretty sure it's going to kind of work the same as some of the other universal ones. What I've noticed is that, like, being that, it's kind of cold outside, if you running your heat and you got that vent clip on, your phone will overheat, because it's happened to me numerous times. So I have a tendency to play whatever I'm watching or doing whatever I'm doing on my phone, man, and I have to turn the heat down, because if I leave like a video playing for like my kids, if we're going somewhere, or if I leave a video playing for my son on his way to practice or something like that, and that heat is on and it's blasting like 74, 75 degrees, I give it about a good 20 to 25 minutes, watching something on Netflix, and that vent clip with your phone directly in front of that heat vent, it will overheat your phone. So that's just something to note, all right? So with that, man, all the information that we got right here, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, man. Let's do it. All right, so inside the box, you got your user manual. You're going to have a 3M dashboard pad. You're going to have a vent clip as well. And you're going to have 2 of the little screw type plastic little plate things, I guess what you want to call them, that screw on the back of the vent clip and or the suction cup mount. With the suction cup mount, you can extend this thing up and down to your liking. You can also unscrew and loosen up the front piece so that you can kind of extend it, closer to you or further away, however you want to do that when you get it mounted. You got a little clip down at the bottom so that you can unloosen the suction cup to get it off the dash. And you just got a little plastic on there so you can take that off. And then on the actual phone clip, it's pretty cool. You got 2 buttons on the side that extend, and it extends pretty like slow. It has like a decent little feel to it. And then on the bottom, you can actually pull it down so your phone, if you got a taller phone, it'll fit in there as well. On the inside of it, it's all rubber, so that's a good look. And as far as getting it mounted, either with the vent clip or the actual suction clip, it's the same way. All you do is put the screw on the outside, put the ball in, and just screw it in tight. And then if you unloosen it, you can kind of, position it however you want. You can move it around, and then once you get it in the desired position, all you do is just tighten it down, and you're good to go. And that goes for the suction cup as well. All you got to do is do the same thing. So basically, you'll just unscrew this right here. You'll take this off, and you'll just kind of repeat the process with the actual suction cup mount. So you'll just take it, put it in just like that, cinch it in, screw it down, and mount it. And you can either mount this to the windshield or you can mount it to the dashboard. So with that, I'm going to go out here and mount it to my actual dashboard, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is what it looks like with the vent clip right here. Just want to give you guys a quick little view. I'm doing this handheld on my iPhone 12, so y'all got to work with me. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to throw this iPhone 10 in here, slide it all the way back, and that's it. Just like that. And you cinch down just like that. That's what it looks like. Easy day. And here's a real quick clip of what it looks like if you was to attach it to your windshield. It's very, very sturdy, but this is what it looks like. Nothing out of the ordinary, nothing we ain't seen before, but at the same time, that's what it looks like. And it looks really good. And then even if you had it on the vent clip, you could do the same thing. You can spin it however you want to. So that's also a good look as well. But this is what it looks like right here too. And this is what it looks like attached to the dash. Now keep in mind, I didn't even have to use this to attach it. It literally is sticky enough to just attach. I don't know about like heating up in the summertime, but right now it's very, very sturdy right here. It will not move literally. So this is what that looks like if you attach it to the dash. So I'm probably gonna leave both clips, leave that clip there, and maybe just leave this right here because I kind of do like that a little bit. So yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. If you found it to be helpful in some way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man Jay, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, peace.